the channel. Today me and mom will cook something very special with banana leaves, and you can see I just took bath. I had my breakfast before some time. After that I took something like Horlicks and all that things, biscuits and everything is done. Now it's time to show you the special recipe of the day. So the special recipe begins with banana leaves. So this is highly available. You can get it to any store, any Reliance Fresh, all those kinds of store. It will be highly available. Or else you can get it in the flower store or market. Just it's normal banana leaf. See what she's doing. She's just hitting up the banana leaf so that the aroma of the banana leaves is intact. दो चाहिए?
हाँ.
So she has made a part, one little big and one little small. Mama has taken banana leaves. So one she has, you can see guys, one she has cut little longer and the other one little smaller in this size. So in the similar way you have to cut it, one little big and one little small. Next what we need is she has taken this type of fish. As this fish is supposed to have lot of omega, which will be helping you to have better eyesight if you are having high blood pressure and all those things. So it is very beneficial for your health, guys. So with this fish only, the banana will, with the banana leaves, there will be the recipe. And then what all we need is onion. In this particular way she has cut one ball like this, one small ball of onion. Mummy, kitna liya? 2 onions?
Two onions.
2 onions she has cut like this. It depends upon your choice. And then all we need is turmeric, salt, and this is chili powder. And the main ingredient, the hero of the show, is mustard oil. Guys, without mustard oil you will not get the intact flavor and the better flavor. And if you do not like the mustard oil, then you can quit to, like you can try with some other oil. The basic thing, the real flavor comes with the mustard oil.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.